Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. Yes, y'all, I am coming to y'all in my jammies and with a sweater on. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but it is cold today. Okay, so this craft that I came up with, well, I didn't really come up with it. It's a template. The template will be in the description box. I was looking at these chandeliers to put up in my daughter's room. She's been asking for one. These would also be cute for like birthdays, baby showers, depending on what the theme is. I think this is super, super, super cute. I'll probably end up doing a bigger one, but for right now, this is the size that I ended up doing. It was my first one. So yeah, that's how it turned out. I think it's super cute, super adorable. Everybody's still asleep in my house. It's like at the crack of dawn, early. Yeah, so we're about to go ahead and get up into this craft, okay? Alright, you guys, as I've already stated, I did not cut mine by hand. I cut mine with my silhouette cutter, and I'm not sure if you can see, but y'all look at that. It actually cut through the freaking paper. This was the first time I actually did this. This is cardstock paper, and it cut it like nobody's business. So I think this is pretty much going to start me on a whole new adventure with this cutting machine. Now, if you have the template, then you know, you can as well use it and do the same thing I did, and use your cutting machine to just go ahead and cut it for you, or you can cut it by hand. I cut out 4. Yeah, I did 4 just to see how thick I actually want these to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel these out, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I have all of them cut out, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but on the template there is like a hole right here. I'm gonna go ahead and punch the hole using just using this my jewelry puncher, I guess. And then also, if you download the template, you will see on there that there is somewhere for you to fold these in half as well. When I ran these through the cutting machine, it also added that dotted line. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a dotted line. Yep, going down the middle right there. That lets me know where to fold it at. So I'm just gonna go ahead, fold each one of these in half like this. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be too adorable, too cute. I can just see how it's about to come out already. Which is why I said I didn't know if I wanted to just cut out how many I wanted to cut out. In the original picture that they had online, they only used 2 of these to make a chandelier. But to me, it looks like you would need at least 4, which is what I'm using just to make one. But I mean, how many you use is totally up to you. But I think that right there looks perfect. So I think what I'm about to go ahead and do right now, I got my glue gun on, is I'm just about to go ahead and yeah, that right there looks good to me. I mean, if you could spread them out, I guess. But this is pretty much all that the other person had in, I guess, in the on the website, which isn't bad. You know, it's cute, but to me, it's just not as full. Or you could even get away with just doing 3. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do 3. Yep, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do 3. I like the way that that looks right there. And I'll be right back. Okay, what I actually ended up doing is just doing the 4 as you see, but because I had 4 of them cut out, by the time you folded them in half, it looked like it made 8. So only thing I did was double them, as you can see right here, and then I just glued it. I'm gonna glue them together to make it thicker. To me, that looks better than just the like this, and it's just flimsy. Now these are also great to add for parties. I'm gonna put it in my daughter's room, you know, like for decoration to hang from the ceiling. But these would also be good for birthdays, baby showers, whatever else. I don't know. Y'all, I can't tell y'all how happy I am to not have to cut. Oh my Jesus. All right, let's see. Go ahead and finish gluing this one too. And at first I was gonna paint it pink, but I actually think I'm gonna do it black now. Her room is it's Hello Kitty, so black matches anyway. Or maybe I should just go ahead and do it pink. Yeah, I think I'll do it pink. Okay. All right. That is pretty much what it looks like. Super, super cute. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing all painted up. Alright, you guys, now that this thing is all painted, what I am going to do now is take some of my sticky adhesive gems, stones, whatever these is, and add these on here to give it some added bling. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. I pretty much just added it like on the ends and on the inside. So what you need now is your clear fish line, or what is this? Yeah, clear transparent cord for jewelry. This will give the illusion that it is pretty much floating in the air. This actually turned out a lot smaller than what I anticipated. So honestly, I probably will not even be using it. I will probably make her another one, a different style. And remember the holes that we made previous, we should just be able to weave this thing on through. If not, shoot, we're about to punch a new hole right here. Gosh, I can't. Alright, so I gotta try to weave it through the holes that I made previous. Which isn't the hard part. The hard part is trying to get it through the same hole that you made. That's what the hard part is. Okay, I got it. About time. Alright. So now you pretty much just go ahead and hang it. I'm gonna hang it from somewhere. I don't know where, but from somewhere. So this is how it turned out. If you have any questions, the template for this will be in the description box. So please be sure to look in the description box. But this is pretty much how it turned out. You can use this for all types of baby showers, birthdays, events, you know, even if you use a cut machine, you don't have to use plain old cardstock. You can cut this out on like pattern paper, pattern cardstock that you buy from Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and it'll be cute. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.